to Hardin Fitness. Today we're going to do a workout with Lance Day. We're going to do a beginner's abdominal workout. I've looked through YouTube and I'm having trouble finding a true beginner's abdominal workout. Today we're going to do three things. One, we're going to train in a postural engram. We've talked about that a lot. Two, we're going to create intra-abdominal pressure engram. We taught you how to do that in this video right here. And three, we're going to work those abs from the inner wall to the outer wall. So let's get into it and be careful. Corrective ab workout level 1 beginner. Helpful items. Number 1, a posture stick. Number 2, blood pressure cuff. And number 3, a stability ball. You can do without 1 and 2, but you're probably going to want number 3. We're going to do 4 exercises, 5 repetitions each, 5 rounds or sets. That's a total of 100 repetitions. We're keeping the reps lower in each set in order to build the good engram. Exercise number 1, the 4-point transverse abdominis, the innermost abdominal wall, or wall number 1. If you want to know more about this exercise, click on that link in the top right corner. We're going to take our stick, place it on, take in a belly breath, exhale, and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Breathe in, exhale, and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 2. We're going to keep 5-second holds on all these. And 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Breathe in and exhale. And 5. Exercise number 2, our low ab press, the second abdominal wall. Working the lower abdominals. We're going to use one with blood pressure cuff and one without. We'll start with the one without and we'll explain as we go. Breathe in, pull in, press, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Relax, breathe in, pull in, and press. 2, 3, 4, and 2. Relax, and press. 3. Press. 4. And 5. Exercise number 3, the Russian twist, the third abdominal wall, internal and external obliques. Most of our back injuries happen in this twisting plane. We're going to breathe in, pull in, exhale, and 1. Breathe in, pull in, exhale, 1. 2 and 2. All repetitions of these exercises get an abdominal load. If you want to learn more about that, click that link in the top right corner. That abdominal load is going to protect your back. Exercise number 4, the ball pass, the outer abdominal wall, or wall number 4, the rectus abdominis, or 6-pack muscles. We load in, exhale, drop off, load, exhale, and pick up. There's 1. Drop off and pick up. 2, 3, 4, 5. This completes the first circuit. If you want to follow along, I will complete 4 more circuits in real time. Let's make it happen. Round 2, exercise number 1. We'll put our stick on, fill up the belly, exhale, and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Fill up and pin. 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving on to our lower abdominal. This time we're going to use the blood pressure cuff. I'm putting that right at the curve or lordosis of my low back. I'm pumping that air in there up to about 20 degrees while relaxed, and then I'm going to load up the abdomen, press into it until I get a 60 degrees. So breathe in, pull in, and press. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Relax. I'm holding that air as I press. And press. 2, 3, 4, and 2. Load up. 3. 4. 5. To the Russian twist. Load in, rotate, exhale, 1. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. To the ball pass. Pull in, exhale, drop off. Exhale and pick up. There's 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Round 3, exercise 1. Fill up the air. Exhale and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Go to low ab press. Just using our fingers, load and press into the fingers. 1. 2. Remember, 5-second hold. 3. Relax, pull in and press. 4. 5. Breathe in, pull in, exhale, and 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Round 4, exercise number 1. Breathe in, exhale, and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Breathe in, Exhale. 2. 3. 4. 5. Low ab press, this time with the blood pressure cuff. And press. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Relax, load, and press. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. We'll do 4 on this one, so you're going to have to add an extra rep. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Let's do our final circuit. Breathe in. Exhale and pin. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Breathe in. Two. 3. 4. 5. Our final low ab press, just using the fingers, pull in and press. And 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Russian twist. Lift up. Rotate out with your load. Exhale and 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Ball pass. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Finished, baby. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a good time. Do this maybe 2 times a week. Build that ab strength from the inside out. Get out there, go for a walk as well, and have some fun.